And this one is the design that we suggest for the area according to the results of this researchment. And the idea is to, this is the entrance. We suggest to remove the carpet and replace it with wood floor. In order to the results of the equipment, we 30% of the students wants a coffee machine, so we place the coffee machine in the back of the room, in the corner next to the stairs. Also, they suggest computers, and in order, due to the results, 54% want 6 computers, but it's too much. To have area for relaxing and all this, we choose only three computers. One is going to be in this area, and the other 2 are going to be in the back of the room, with comfortable chairs, like office chairs in red colors. Okay. Also, we suggest to replace the double window seal, the brass, okay, and replace it with wooden ledge, like a table, maybe like a bar table or something like that, with 3 chairs. I don't remember stall chairs. Okay, we suggest to have a sofa in order with the results. Okay, the sofa is going to be back to the window and in front to this wall, where we going to have a small table and a TV. And in the middle, we suggest to have a table with a carpet. The carpet we suggested in orange, but maybe it could be green as the students suggest. But we think that we have a lot of green with the garden, so it's not necessary. And kind of poof in this area, just to have more places for the students. But a big one, not just a small one. And this is the project. Do you have any questions or suggestions?
Yeah, what was the first question? I can't remember the first question.
What kind of space do you want to have?
Okay, you said others. What did the others suggest? Do you remember? You said, I can't remember what you said.
A place to play
games.
Play games.
Yeah. Okay.
No, it's here.
I think that was one of the other options. Yeah.
Eating and drinking.
Oh, for eating and drinking. Oh, okay, okay. Any other questions, anyone?
And also the walls. This is very important. In white color.
White. Okay.
Yes.
With a wooden floor.
Yes.
Okay.
So yeah, that's the end of our presentation. We hope you liked it.